Hey everybody, this is Lee from BaldThoughts, where we teach you how to travel more, spend less, and live better. It's almost 2018, super excited for an awesome year, and what I really want to do is try to up my fashion game. You know, I'm a dad, I got 2 young kids, but I work professionally, obviously got the blog going on, and all things like that, but I'm still a dad, and still a husband, and need to make sure that I'm looking good for my wife. So found an affordable option called SprezzaBox, and it's only 28 bucks a month. Get about $100 worth of accessories and fashion tips, things like that. And so super excited. I got my first box in the mail last night. About ready to hit the gym, but I wanted to see what's in the box and show you, basically bring you along with the journey here. Let's take a look. So it comes in this little box here. Let's see what comes in here. All right. The Manhattan. New York City is like no other place in the world, and the borough of Manhattan is at the heart of it all. This month we've set you up with a sleek box packed with bold colors and practical pieces that are perfect for the city life. SprezzaBox. And there's a little bit of instructions on the back here, so I'll tell you what's actually in the box, kind of retail values, things like that. But instead of reading that, let's just actually take a look for ourselves. So Indochino, updating, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Little advertisements, some little discounts on other things. 5-4 club, blah, blah, blah. All right. Let's take a look and see what we have. So, first things first. Really nice looking tie here. I got a brand new suit from Macy's the other day. I think this would go well with it. Also, I think it would go well with the blazer I got from. Well, yeah, I think it would go well with the blazer I got from Bluffworks as well. So that's really nice. Ooh, some new socks. Luckily, didn't get socks for Christmas. You know, that's normally what everybody likes to do for fathers, things like that. Luckily, my wife is not a traditional mom and didn't go that route. Got me some cool gifts, including an Apple Pencil and a new iPad. So, but you can always use new socks. I like this herringbone pattern, things like that. So that's really cool. It's good. Shoehorn. Always good to have one of these. Don't want to ruin the nice new shoes. What is this? Chuck off. Oh, shoe cleaning wipes. So if you have kids like me, you know that the kids will always step on the shoes. No matter what you do, no matter how nice your shoes are, it's like a magnet for kids. So that's nice to be able to clean my shoes. And, oh, a little wallet. It's cool. Sometimes you don't want to bring your entire wallet with you. You can throw a little cash there in the middle, a couple ID on one side, a couple credit cards on the other. Always want to be earning those miles and points. So, fashionable, things like that. That's good. And then here, a little accessory. You know, I'm usually not one to throw little accessories like this into my suits, but give it a try. So, overall, a lot of really cool things. I definitely think that I got my money's worth. 20 bucks for a tie, a pair of socks, a little wallet, accessory. I think overall, very good. So good first month. Definitely a thumbs up. And look forward to seeing what's happening in the next month. So if you want to get a SprezzaBox as well, use my referral link. It's called BaldThoughts.com/SprezzaBox. Again, that's SprezzaBox. So BaldThoughts.com/SprezzaBox. The link will be down here below. And then also use my promo code BaldThoughts. And with that, you'll get 10% off your first month. And hopefully you'll have some awesome things that you can incorporate into your wardrobe in the next month. Have a good one. Bye-bye.